Are you in the furniture or upholstery business? Do you need good vector files of furniture pieces? With the Logic Trace system, I can place a part or pattern on the board and trace it out with a pen stylus in a very short time, have a great accurate DXF file. I'm switching back and forth between lines and arcs. Notice I'm using a pad on the tablet, makes switching nice and easy. Just push the buttons on the screen there. Go all the way around with the pen stylus, and then I will save a great vector file on the computer. There's the outside. Let's do the inside also. The boards come in a variety of sizes. This one is 44 by 60 inches. I also have smaller ones and larger ones, any size that you need. And after tracing the pattern, I will save a file and load that into my CNC software. There it is. It looks great. Let's save the file.